Hi, I'm going to show you how to put your elements from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft PowerPoint. First, I made a basic Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We have employees and the hours they've worked Monday through Friday. I've also taken that information and created a bar chart of that. So these are the two elements that we are going to put into PowerPoint. I also have opened up Microsoft PowerPoint, if I switch to it here, and Microsoft PowerPoint will open to this. Basically what you need is a title at the beginning. I'm just putting my survey, whatever you want to call it, and your name. There. Now Microsoft PowerPoint does a lot of fancy stuff, and I'm not looking for anything super fancy. Kind of a quick little fancy thing is if you click the Design tab up at the top. If I hit the down arrow here, there's a variety of background designs that you can choose to put on your PowerPoint. Let's see here. See if this one looks nice. Ta-da! And it will change kind of your layout out. This is the one I picked, and it kind of changed my name, and that's okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a new slide to our PowerPoint. If I go to Home and go to New Slide, I hit the down arrow with New Slide. I want the title only slide. So on my title, this is going to be my data. So you can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to put my data on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Excel, copy it, and paste it onto the slide. So I'm going to click on Excel here. I'm going to highlight my data. I'm going to copy it. So you should have those little squiggly lines dancing. And we go to PowerPoint, and we paste, and there it is. Now, once it is in information like this, you can, highlight these and change them up in here if you want them larger, smaller, or whatever. But that is our data. So now I'm going to go and create another slide, same type of slide, title only. Now this layout that I picked puts the title on the bottom because of our design. Sometimes the title is on the top too. And this will be my chart. And again, you can call it something else besides my chart, and that is fine. I'm going to go over to Excel. I'm going to switch to my chart tab. I'm going to click on it and copy and go over to PowerPoint and hit paste, and there's my chart. Now notice the colors of my chart have changed from the colors that it was when it was in Microsoft Excel, and that is because of, again, when we picked our design up here, it has a color scheme. So when you start putting things from other programs in here, it'll try to match your color scheme. Oop, and I just changed my color scheme there. All right, then our last slide, I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to do actually a title and content slide. And I'm just going to put results. And then this is where you're going to just answer those reflection questions. I thought, yada, 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 and whatever you want. And there it is. That's all I'm looking for in your slideshow. Once you want to view your slideshow to see what it looks like, you go to View. Oops, I'm sorry. You go to Slideshow, and you go to From Beginning. And every time you click, it should bring you to another slide. I click again, click, and it ends it. One more click, and it's back to our editing mode. So that is how you go from Microsoft Excel to PowerPoint.